Hey guys, Chris here for GQ37, and this is Project 350Z. I recently picked up an enthusiast model 2006 Rev-Up 6-speed manual Z in very hurt condition. It's been neglected, it needs a lot. Mainly on the outside, but I'm going to be starting on the inside, moving outward, and yeah, I'll address that bumper as well. Really excited about this project. I'll be doing some videos and showing what I'm doing as I do it in hopes that it's helpful to somebody out there that's restoring or fixing some issues in their Z as well. So buckle up and join me for some more videos starting right now. Alright guys, today I'm trying to adjust my window because it's, I don't know if you can see, but it is very wobbly. It was like that when I got it. I think the shop that replaced the window regulator in this recently didn't secure it. And so in order to do that, I've gone ahead, took the door panel off. If you need to see that, I've got a separate video showing how to take the door panel off. And then I just removed these little rubber patches that kind of cover up these bolts. And these bolts, as you can see, how much play is in there. Hopefully it just needs to be tightened down a little bit. I'm going to hold it up and tighten that bolt and that one right there and see if this fixes the problem. Because right now as it is, when the window goes up, it doesn't seal right on the door because it's crooked. So we're about to find out if this is going to fix the problem. Looks like it's a 10 millimeter. Put my 10 millimeter socket back on. I really hope this is the solution, because it's been really annoying. It's definitely loose, very loose. Yeah, now it's holding in place. Imagine that. Obviously you don't want to over tighten them, you're not trying to crack your window. But I don't know. I've got another one on this side. It seems to be rocking. It may be some back and forth adjustment until, yeah, I can see that one. That one doesn't look right either. But before I mess with that one, I'm going to test this out and see if it seals. I gotta put my window switch back on in order to test it real quick. Alright, so switch is back on. Alright, so I kept messing with it. Eventually I just kind of went all the way up both positions. I just pushed the window up as far as it would go on both sides and tightened those bolts up. And now we're going all the way up where we're supposed to be. So whoever replaced the window motor or whatever just didn't line it up. I do still have a little bit of gap here. It's better than it was for sure. I think the weather stripping's just worn. You can see how it dips here, and I don't think it's supposed to. So what I'm gonna do is I have several of these little rubber washers for leftover from some plumbing I've saved over the years, and I'm just gonna put it behind here to try to shore this up a little bit, essentially. See if that'll help beef it up. That's better. I see a little bit of in this corner here. So I'm gonna put something up there as well to shore that up. But anyway, I got the window going up where it's supposed to be. So now I'm just gonna finagle this in the meantime to make it stick out a little bit more and hopefully seal. Alright guys, well that's what I did for this video. More videos to come. Next video, I'm going to be painting the door trim. I just did that. I wrapped that door vent, air conditioner vent there. So I'll be painting the trim, putting that back on. I just replaced, or actually fixed the door catch here. So if you need to watch a video on how to do that, you can click in the upper right corner of your screen. I did it on an FX35 last year. It's the same exact process. as that. So if you want to fix one of those for free and have your door hold open without anything propping it open, that's how you do that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Click subscribe and like and all that jazz. I'll see you guys in the next video.